Introducing the remarkable Aurora A2, a keychain flashlight that will leave you in awe. With a brightness of 650 lumens and a compact length of just 57 mm, it packs a powerful punch. The battery life is equally impressive, offering a remarkable 56 hours of continuous use. The Gen 4 version is equipped with a USB Type-C port for convenient charging, complemented by a handy charging indicator. Moreover, this flashlight features a memory function that recalls the last mode used for over 3 minutes. Built with durability in mind, it is water-resistant according to the IP65 standard and comes with a clip and magnets for easy attachment to any gadget. All these exceptional features come at an affordable price of $40. Introducing the Corsair iCUE NEXUS, a game-changer for users seeking enhanced customization options beyond the standard full-size keyboard. This remarkable touchscreen offers a range of innovative features, including custom macros, device configuration, and advanced controls such as mouse sensitivity adjustments and CPU temperature monitoring. With its 5-inch display boasting a resolution of 640 by 48, it can be seamlessly installed on compatible keyboards or used with the docking station. Compatible with Windows 10, it allows for up to 200 profiles, each with 6 virtual buttons. One user expressed their desire for a fingerprint scanner, envisioning the added convenience it would bring, although acknowledging that such an addition would likely increase the price from its current $100. Introducing the HGN Glass Rinser, a must-have addition to your kitchen for effortless cleaning of glasses, cups, bottles, and more. With a starting price of $57, this handy device proves to be indispensable, considering the worldwide consumption of over 2 billion cups of coffee daily. Made from stainless steel, it provides a generous water flow of up to 2.6 gallons per minute. Installing the device is a breeze, thanks to the comprehensive video manual provided. The seller guarantees that this gadget will not only help you conserve water but also save valuable time. With 6 available colors, it's easy to find a perfect match for your kitchen interior. Introducing Lockin Smart, a secure storage solution that has undergone rigorous testing. The manufacturers proudly claim to have subjected the safe to 10,000 hammer hits without compromising its functionality. Ideal for storing keys, credit cards, ID cards, and other valuable items, this safe offers peace of mind. Accessing it is convenient, either through a smartphone or by entering a PIN code on the keyboard. With 2 AA batteries lasting up to a year, this safe is designed for outdoor use, enduring temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit. The accompanying app provides a range of useful features, including an activation log and the ability to generate one-time codes. Crafted from SPCC cold-rolled steel, a material commonly used for computer cases, Lockin Smart combines security and intelligence. Priced at $70, it's a smart choice for a smarter lifestyle. Introducing the extraordinary Lunocet Monofin, a revolutionary product that underwent testing by none other than Michael Phelps himself. During the trial, Phelps achieved an astonishing 87% improvement in speed compared to his own world record set in 2009. Whether your dream is to swim like a dolphin or become a mermaid, this exceptional product is tailor-made for you. The manufacturer has ingeniously crafted a cutting-edge biomimetic monofin, drawing inspiration from the brilliance of Mother Nature's design. What truly sets it apart is its effortless disassembly feature and compatibility with regular footwear, such as cycling shoes, thanks to its convenient fastenings. The creators dedicated a full decade to perfecting its development, and the results are nothing short of extraordinary. Remarkably, even individuals over the age of 80 can benefit from this monofin, as long as they are healthy and experienced swimmers. Despite its impressive price tag of $400, the Lunocet Monofin is an investment worth every penny. Indulge your furry companion with the extraordinary MUI-MagneticRopeLeash, because every pet owner wants to provide something special for their beloved friend. This leash offers unparalleled convenience, making it a breeze to prepare your pet for a walk in no time. The collar is equipped with a unique carabiner, and a dual-hook latch effortlessly attaches to it with a simple motion, thanks to the power of magnets ensuring perfect alignment every time. Specifically designed for dogs weighing between 14 and 45 kilograms, the creators are also working on a mini version of this exceptional leash. Rest assured, the product is patented and currently available for purchase at a price of $45. Additionally, the system includes a sturdy 1.8-meter climbing rope that can withstand both the strength of a dog's jaws and various weather conditions. Introducing Ravensburger GraviTrax, an extraordinary kit brimming with possibilities and boundless creativity. Unleash your imagination as you construct your very own marble circuit with this captivating product. Not only does it offer a visually immersive exploration of physics, engineering, and mechanics for young children, but it also provides a soothing and stress-relieving experience for adults, akin to fidget spinners and other stress relief products. The basic kit comprises 122 pieces and includes instructions for 9 unique circuits. Designed for children aged 8 and above, it meets the stringent quality regulations and standards of the European Union. For added excitement, multiple kits can be combined to host mini championships, complete with thrilling stunts, jumps, and leaps. It guarantees a joyous and entertaining activity, all at an affordable price starting from $42. For hunting enthusiasts, the Ring of Steps presents an innovative solution that enhances your hunting experience from a tree. Based on the behavior of animals who tend to look downward or forward, this ingenious platform provides a strategic advantage when positioned at a higher vantage point. Instead of relying on a portable seat, these patented steps offer a convenient alternative for maneuvering around the tree trunk. The current version is designed to support up to 113 kilograms, with plans for a future release capable of accommodating 136 kilograms. With customizable options, typically 5 steps suffice, and each step remarkably weighs a mere 88 grams. A set of 5 steps, along with a belt, is priced at $85, while an additional carrying case can be purchased for either $12 or $25, depending on the size required. Discover SmartStraps, the ultimate solution for fast and hassle-free strapping with their ingenious ratchet mechanism. Within a mere 15 seconds, you can securely fasten ATVs and other vehicles. These straps come in different tier strengths, indicated by their vibrant colors. The green strap offers strength up to 680 kilograms, the orange strap up to 1360 kilograms, and the yellow strap up to 2270 kilograms. According to the seller, these innovative straps provide a smart and effective way to safeguard machinery and equipment. A set of 2 green straps, measuring 4.3 meters each, is available for approximately $20. Presenting the UR112 AGGREGAT, a unique timepiece created by a Swiss company renowned for their unconventional watches. Drawing inspiration from unexpected objects like Bugatti cars, this model is truly one of a kind. Limited to only 25 pieces, each priced at approximately $253,000, this watch showcases meticulous craftsmanship. The 0.9-ounce timepiece features a PVD-coated titanium case and a sapphire dome covering the dial. With a power reserve of 48 hours and water resistance up to 98 feet, it exemplifies both precision and durability. To view the seconds indication, one must lift the case, akin to opening a car hood, adding a touch of novelty to this extraordinary timepiece. It's a true testament to the watchmaker's ingenuity and craftsmanship, as stated by the manufacturer.